Crash course on Panama, Cuisine. Embark on a culinary journey through Panama and discover its rich and diverse cuisine. From traditional dishes steeped in history to the emerging foodie scene, Panama's culinary offerings are sure to delight your taste buds. Join us as we explore the flavors, stories, and examples that make Panama's cuisine unique. Panama's culinary delights. Panama's cuisine reflects a fusion of indigenous, African, Spanish, and Caribbean influences, resulting in a diverse range of flavors and dishes. Let's uncover some interesting stories and examples that showcase the essence of Panama's culinary scene. Interesting stories, examples. 1. Sancocho. Taste the heartwarming flavors of Sancocho, Panama's national dish. This hearty soup, made with chicken, vegetables, and herbs, is often enjoyed during festive gatherings and family celebrations. 2. Ceviche. Sample the refreshing and zesty flavors of ceviche, a popular seafood dish in Panama. Fresh fish or shrimp marinated in lime juice, mixed with onions, tomatoes, and cilantro, creates a delightful explosion of flavors. Top 12 attractions of Panama cuisine. 1. Mercado de Mariscos. Dive into the bustling Mercado de Mariscos fish market in Panama City, where you can savor freshly caught seafood, including ceviche and fried fish, while enjoying panoramic views of the waterfront. 2. Casco Viejo food tour. Join a food tour in the historic neighborhood of Casco Viejo, where you can indulge in traditional Panamanian dishes, street food, and innovative culinary creations. 3. Diablo Rosso. Explore Diablo Rosso, a contemporary art gallery and cafe in Panama City that offers a unique dining experience with a fusion of art, culture, and gastronomy. 4. Sancocho festivals. Attend one of Panama's vibrant Sancocho festivals, where locals come together to celebrate this beloved dish, showcasing different regional variations and cooking techniques. 5. Chichime. Cool off with a glass of chichime, a traditional drink made from corn, milk, cinnamon, and sugar. This refreshing beverage is often enjoyed during hot summer days. 6. Embark indigenous village. Immerse yourself in the cultural traditions of the Embark indigenous community, where you can learn about their traditional cooking methods and sample their authentic cuisine. 7. El Trapiche. Visit El Trapiche, a traditional Panamanian restaurant in Panama City, where you can taste classic dishes like arroz con pollo, chicken with rice, and ropa vieja, shredded beef stew. 8. Boquete coffee. Take a trip to the coffee region of Boquete and indulge in Panama's renowned coffee. Visit coffee plantations, learn about the cultivation and roasting process, and enjoy a cup of freshly brewed coffee. 9. Panama craft beer scene. Explore Panama's growing craft beer scene and visit local breweries and bars that offer a wide range of unique and flavorful brews. 10. Ron Abuelo Distillery. Journey to the Ron Abuelo Distillery in the town of Paisy and discover the art of rum production. Learn about the distillation process and sample the premium rums produced in Panama. 11. Panamanian street food. Delight in the vibrant street food scene of Panama, where you can find a variety of snacks like empanadas, cariminolas, yuca fritters, and tamales. 12. Mercado de Bujoneria. Visit the Mercado de Bujoneria in Panama City, a bustling market where you can find local produce, spices, and traditional ingredients to take home and recreate Panamanian flavors in your own kitchen. Summary. Panama's cuisine is a delectable fusion of flavors and influences, showcasing the country's diverse cultural heritage. From hearty soups to fresh seafood and innovative culinary creations, Panama's culinary scene offers something to satisfy every palate. Explore the local markets, savor traditional dishes, and indulge in the emerging foodie culture to truly experience the gastronomic delights of Panama. Poem. In Panama's land, a culinary delight. Flavors that dance and bring us delight. Sancocho, the heartwarming stew. And ceviche, a taste so fresh and true. Mercado de Mariscos, a bustling affair. Seafood delights, the aroma in the air. Casco Viejo, a foodie's dream. With street eats and culinary schemes. Chichime, a cooling treat in the sun. Embark cuisine, traditions and fun. El Trapiche's classic dishes so fine. And coffee from Boquete, a sip divine. Craft beer flowing, flavors unique. Ron Abuelo's rum, a spirit to seek. Panamanian street food, a feast on the go. Mercado de Bujoneria, ingredients to show. Panama's cuisine, a fusion of delight. From indigenous roots to a modern foodie site. Embark on this culinary journey with glee. And savor the flavors that make Panama so free. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html $aid = 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for your kind support of our NHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.